Hi, my name is Kate Bachnovich. I am the owner of the Running DPT LLC. Javier and Marissa have helped me to put in systems into my business that has allowed me to more than double my revenue and allow me to do so without taking any extra time and actually spending a little bit less time doing the behind the scenes things. Take the dive, you won't regret it.
My name is Emily Campbell. I am a registered dietitian and certified diabetes educator. And with Javier and Marissa, they have the systems in place to help you grow. And, if you're willing to invest in your business, in yourself, put in the work, this program definitely helps. Not only has it helped streamline my business, but also helped me become more confident in my, delegation, my supports that I need, but also showing me that I can certainly grow my business. And certainly the Practice Revolution is there to help you.
So I really honestly didn't have any question in my initial conversations with Javi. I was just very impressed with how they were running their program, and he kind of helped fit me into the program that he thought was going to be the best fit for me. And so I had hit the ground running. But what I love about this program is that it's all encompassing. It's everything, the tech side, getting clients, social media, just everything that kind of goes into starting and running a practice. Basically, Javi and Marissa are saying like, hey, this is what has worked for us. Like, we've worked through our kinks. This is what we know works. And here you go. Like, it's on a silver platter for you. And honestly, the community, it's kind of like I had this whole support system in place. So it's been completely just so valuable for me.
Just having talked to Javi and Marissa prior, like through Facebook, and just kind of watching how they interacted with us in the free Facebook group, and just seeing how genuine they were, I just didn't really have a question about whether or not I would succeed in their program, because I just didn't feel like they would let me fail. It's 100% worth it. That you will not finish the program behind where you're at now. Like, you will definitely be on your way to where you want to be. There's just no question about that with Javi and Marissa.
If you're looking for clarity, if you're looking for focus, if you're looking for that combination of both hand holding and figure it out on your own, this is something that you need to do, because it is that nice balance of both. But the best thing about this program is being in this community, because I came from a situation where I was the only one I knew putting together a business as a dietitian. I don't have that great of a local network of friends that are in this field. So I just, having that ability to be with other like-minded people that are really driven and positive are super amazing.
My name is Kimberly Lucard, and I highly, highly, highly recommend the Freedom Sprint program. And you get two coaches that are invested in your success. They are there for you, and you learn a system that hands down is the best thing that I've ever learned. I told them repeatedly that I wish I had met them in 2012 when I started my business. So go ahead, enjoy, invest in yourself, and move your business forward.
For me, I think it's been really across the board just positive. It was overwhelmingly positive coming into the community of individuals that are trying to build something themselves. It's incredible the amount of support that you get within this program right off the bat. Again, I've been really outstanding, pleasantly surprised with what I've received within the community, and just appreciate it. So thank you.
It's been awesome. And even going into the mastermind, I felt like that even just made everything so much better too. My mindset is definitely in a different place. I'm way more positive all the time. So I'm goal oriented. You guys have been the push and encouragement and everything that I've needed to have the tools to get there. You guys have just been awesome. You're all good. I get something from each of you in a different way, and it's all needed to make the whole thing work. I can't imagine not taking this course.
I promise you will just be amazed at all the awesome resources that they have for you, the individualized attention that you'll receive in the program, and then just even the community and the other people that are in the program that also want you to succeed and that help you with things as well.
Hi there, I'm Leslie Urbis. I'm a registered dietitian and a personal trainer. I could not believe the amount of worth and the amount of knowledge that I got inside of there. In addition, he really hears you and he really works with you. I want to say that without this program, I would have never made it where I am today. Javi and Marissa, I cannot thank you enough